Hello everyone, and may the Lord bless you while you watching this video. And thank you for all your support. And please help me reach my goal this year. I want my video with 2K subscribers. So please, it's only you can help me by subscribing and like it and share it to your friend. And family, let's go make this Haitian style legume together. And check on my description box. I'm going to explain all the ingredients I am using. So now this is my meat, which is turkey bone and smoked turkey and beef. So now this is all the vegetables too I'm going to use. This is cabbage and papaya, eggplant, cabbage, watercress, chayote, carrots, tomato. This is all I'm going to use, and I'm using a yellow papaya, but mostly it's good to use green papaya, because the reason why I use the yellow papaya, he gave my legume a little sweet taste, and this is how my kids love it. So I got to do it the way they love it. So now this is the vegetable. This is the yellow papaya. I clean and I cut everything, and if you want me to do a video how I clean and cut all my vegetables, I can do it. And as you see, you just see my live crop. So now this is the meat, this is the beef. It doesn't have no bones on it. That's why I use the turkey bones to give the legume some bone, because it will be so boring if it doesn't have a little bones, because us Haitian, we love when the meat have a little bit of bones to it, because you don't want the legume is so boring. So, and it give the legume a little bit more flavor when you have some bone. And now I clean up the meat with some sour orange and lemon, so, and vinegar and little bit of salt, family, and I rinse it out. So now this is the meat. Now I use Haitian Epis on it, and I use some turmeric powder too. So if you see that yellow, that's what I use. And I use half spoon of polo Maggie. I don't use adobo today, so I use what I have. And if you watch the video all the way today, and you will see I do not use salt, because I do not want salt in my food with all those ingredients who already have salt. This is water, sour orange with limes I'm using, and garlic powder I'm using in this chicken to seasoning it. So, but if you want salt, family, you can add salt. But me, all those dry ingredients already have salt, and I'm not gonna add no more salt. And this is my seasoning meat, looking so good, looking so pretty. So yes, but you know what you use to seasoning your meat, you can continue to do so, any seasoning you used to use. And this is my live crab, so I am going to clean it. I use hot water and put lemon on it too, so I'm going to clean it. So this is my crab. I'm going to take all this nasty stuff inside of it. Some people just use it like that, but I cannot eat all this nasty stuff inside of it. I just have to clean it. But it's up to you, depending how you use it. And I just take a trash bag to put all this stuff on it. So now this is the meat with the crab. I let it cook, but first I let the meat cook first before I can even add the crab. You know, the meat is more hard, so I just do that off the camera. I let the meat cook first, and then I add the crab, so the juice can get inside the crab, so to give the crab so much flavor. Family, just have a seat, family, and enjoy this cooking with me. And thank you for all your patience, and do not forget to send me your idea, any comment, anything you do not understand. If I'm not completely clear, so let me know, family. And as you can see, I add tomato. The tomato I have, I add it to this meat, and I add thyme, I add pepper, hot pepper, and even onions. You know, I let my meat cook with onions. So now this is all the vegetables. This is the papaya, the yellow papaya, but as I say, you can use green papaya. And this is all those vegetables: eggplant, chayote, cabbage. So now it's time for me. I'm going, after I let the meat really cook and I let it steam. In Haitian language, you say, ou ki te vien nan pran koule. I let the meat really steam, or you can say fry in this oil first before I put the vegetables. So before I put the vegetable, I add a little bit more oil to it. And now I'm going to add all those vegetables. As I said, I'm going to put in the description box all my ingredients. This is the yellow papaya. It's sweet. It's gonna give my legume a little bit sweet taste, family. And let me know where you're watching this video so I can greet you. And now this is all the vegetables. The cabbage, I put it on the top with the watercress on it. But you can use spinach, and I cover it with the aluminum foil. It's heavy aluminum foil. Don't use the light one. And now it's already cooked, family. I take the aluminum foil on it. So now I'm going to mix it, and after I mix it, it doesn't have no water on it. It's already cooked. And now I'm going to take it off the stove. Now I mash it. Use anything you have. In the Haitian way, sometimes they use mash pillow to do it, but I have this, and I bought this from Ross. So I mix it. So now after that I put it back to the oven or stove, and then I put the meat back on it. Remember, I take the meat off. So now after it's cooked, I put all the meat, and I add 1 onion and bell pepper and basil and thyme. And I'm going to add black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit more oil too if you need it. And after you taste it, if you need to put, as you can see, this is the black pepper I'm adding to it. Yes, after I add all those ingredients, then my legume is always done, family. This is the polo, half teaspoon of Maggie. It's a polo. It's a vegetables Maggie too. And this is the clove powder I add to it, family. And do not forget, as I said, send me your idea, send me your comment, and I'm going to let it stay and steam for about 30 to 1 hour until ingredient is well mixed. And now voila, family. This is my legume. It is well done. Everything mixed together. And I'm still gonna let it stay on low, family. And this is the milled black rice. And watch for this video.